The name of the module is Nomenclature of Plants under Unit 3 Introduction to Plant Taxonomy of the course BOC 102 Biodiversity 2. In this module, I'll be talking about taxonomy and its components and briefly discussing about plant nomenclature. At the end of this module, you will be able to define botanical nomenclature, explain the concept of binomial nomenclature, discuss why scientific names are used in binomial nomenclature, and why Latin language is used in scientific naming. The word taxonomy was first coined by A.P. de Candolle, and it is derived from two Greek words, taxis and nomos. Taxis means arrangement and nomos means rules or laws. According to Lincoln et al., taxonomy is the theory and practice of describing, naming, and classifying organisms. In the recent years, the word taxonomy is replaced by systematics. Systematics is a broader discipline of discovering phylogenetic relationships using morphological, anatomical, cytological, ecological, and molecular data. There are four main important components of taxonomy. These include identification, description, nomenclature, and classification. Identification or determination is recognizing an unknown specimen with an already known taxon and assigning a correct rank and position in an extant classification. Description involves listing important features by noting its character states. Nomenclature deals with the determination of a correct name for a taxon as per the rules governed by ICN, that is International Code of Nomenclature for algae, fungi, and plants. And classification is the arrangement of organisms in different groups on the basis of their similarities. Botanical nomenclature is the systematic or scientific naming of plants, and it deals with the application of a correct name to a plant or taxonomic group as per a set of rules or principles that constitute a system which is called the code. The International Code of Nomenclature for algae, fungi, and plants is the governing body that set the rules on botanical nomenclature. Botanical nomenclature uses two-word naming system which is called as binomial nomenclature. The concept of binomial nomenclature was first proposed by Caspar Bohin in the year 1623, but it was Linnaeus who used this concept in his species Plantarum. Scientific naming of plant species consists of two separate words followed by the author who first validly published it. Generic name is followed by the species name. In this example, the name of the plant is Mangifera indica, where Mangifera is the generic name, indica is the specific epithet, and L stands for Carolus Linnaeus, the author of the species. How to write scientific names? Scientific names of plants are based on Latin language. Generic names begin with a capital letter. Specific name of a plant begins with a small letter. Scientific names are underlined when typed or written by hand or italicized or bold when printed. These are the three different ways by which you can write a scientific name for a species. Why scientific naming? Why not common names or vernacular names or the local names for scientific naming? Vernacular names or common names are not available for all the species. These are restricted in their usage. They are not universal in their application, and widely distributed plants may have many names in the same language, in the same locality, or different localities. Why do we use Latin language in scientific naming or botanical nomenclature? Latin is considered as a dead language. It is specific and exact in meaning, and it employs Roman alphabets which fits well in the text of most languages. These are the list of references that I have used to prepare this module. Thank you.